Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are ready for this one. Going to be a good day and a bad day to be a TP. So my boy Jev, how you doing today, brother?
I'm doing good, man. Hopefully we get a trade today.
Hopefully we do. Guys, again, full transparency for all of you guys. Just showing you, and that's also why it is still in testing. For the Project G, guys, we actually shared the signal for the strategy we are busy developing and testing, and it took a loss today, and that is exactly why it is a strategy that is still in testing. So again, full just transparency. We're obviously not sharing the trade with you, but it was same with the Project G, guys. But just to show you, for example, that is why things are still in testing. We don't give these out to a large mass of number of people. For example, you're going to take that trade and put a lot more than they should on it, and then cause unnecessary losses. So again, just full transparency on why we are still testing that strategy and haven't released it as of yet. But other than that, we are going to see what we can get on our main accounts and make some moolah today. A little bit of news coming out, so we're going to see what happens over there. And again, hopefully this time we do not have any economists come and invalidate some trades here and try hit some stop losses, but we can rather focus, get some TPs. And even to top it off, guys, we actually made something better for all the guys here that are only part of the New York family. In celebration of hitting 9K yesterday, we told you we were going to be giving away 10K funded accounts, and if you weren't here in London, we actually came to the conclusion where instead of that, you know what, we're doing 18 giveaways. So we did 9 in London, and we're going to be doing 9 10K giveaways in the New York session. So you guys are going to get the same 9 chances here in this session. Obviously you can't win twice, so just to go off the bat, if they are here, Slashy, Rooks, King X, Callan, Hood Angels, Cosmic Roof, Franco, Motololo, and Jared, you guys obviously cannot win again. You had previously won in London session, so you can't win back to back today. But other than that, we're going to see what we can do here. So just don't go anywhere. There will be a chance for you to win some accounts moving into the session. But let's just go through it quickly. I see the chat blowing up a bit here. Sorry, bro. I have a wife and 2 kids. Still, the cuddles are far and few, and the kids stealing away while you're single. Welcome. I hope you have a great woman. Let's smash the TPs. Go, Keegs. There, boy. Had a bit of a situation with the VF account. Gold chart got completely frozen for a couple of minutes before ADP, and like 5 minutes after ADP. Anyone else with the same problem? I'm not sure about that, bro. We've actually been shooting some content here, so I haven't really been able to focus on the charts or see any messages. So we can get back to that. Otherwise, just message support. I don't know if you're saying, so has it unfrozen? Had the same problem. So yeah, it could have been something with the servers, but maybe message support, talk about it. Maybe you'll get an email addressing the issue, whatever happened. So yeah, just let us know if that does happen again. Mr. Stream this morning, will go and watch later. Awesomeness, can't wait. Yeah, Han, so for you have a chance to win a 10K account this afternoon. Are those giveaway accounts already live or still have to pass the levels? No, you have to pass them, brother. This isn't Christmas where we're gonna just do it for you. You are getting the account for free already. You at least can pass the account yourself. Let's get this dub. Afternoon, my man. What's up, Kyle? Afternoon, G's. I'm sorry to push that account as far as I have set up. There we go, brother. Let's go, Keys and Jevo. Let's get those TPs. What's good? Let's go, Chad. Loving the energy here today, guys. So other than that, I think we can dive right in. And let's obviously start off as usual, the same we do every day, and look at some fundamentals. So what are we looking at here, guys? Obviously you had that ADP coming out, and now you're looking at a drop in the pair, which we did see over there come out. Yeah, someone was spamming me now. We can see that coming out over there. So already we've seen that dollar weakness. Again, as I said to you, this final services PMI, they expecting to come out pretty much flat. Which, if you guys remember the last services PMI, we actually had to come out higher, which was a dollar bullishness. If we come out flat or even beat it, that will be a bullish move for the dollar. If you look at now the normal services, ISM PMI, we are suspecting a hike over there. So again, we are taking a more combined bullish outlook going in for the news. But the thing is, guys, we are taking a bullish outlook for it, but I don't think it will hold. So the same as yesterday, where we were bearish and it could have flipped, we are going to be looking for this to go bullish and then to flip. So any pairs, gold, NAS, USD, to first sell off and then turn bullish. That's what we're going to be looking at for today. Again, see what happens there. So let's look at the charts, guys, with DXY. Just let me know on audio, guys, if the volume, the music's maybe a bit too loud. It's always sometimes a bit loud in our ears. So just let us know how it is for you guys. But when we look at DXY, I'm obviously still pretty much bearish. We said to you guys, two things are going to happen here. Even though we are trading up, you have the 200 we are trading underneath, which would take a lot of volume to beat. And again, we are also underneath the supply with a massive rejection. So that's there. But on the bullish side of things, the one thing everyone's going to be looking at is when are we going to go for the gap fill. And as I said to you guys, two things. We had first year on the lower time frames, we had to get to the R1, which we did. Then we needed to hold the R1, which we couldn't do. And what did that mean? Obviously, Asia highs coming back on the cards. If this news comes out, if we do see that, this could be the pullback to go bullish for the rest of the session for that gap fill before going bearish. Consolidating that, I said to the guys this morning, what I am expecting from the dollar is we could have our almost last move for the rest of the week today. Obviously tomorrow, pricing for NFP can just be a lot of volatility and accumulation, basically causing an inside day tomorrow. So I'm not expecting any big moves tomorrow. So today, possibly the last chance to try and get something. If we do start failing lower, obviously taking Asia lows that are untested and then move further down. As I said to you, for me, 103.450 is the key area for dollar this week. That's what I'm going to see us finish up. Now let's go over to the indices, guys. Indices, we are again bullish, but I do want to see a bit more of a pullback. But when we look at the higher time frames, this thing is just absolutely running away, literally non-stop. So we're going to see if we can put some brakes on it, and literally just allow us to climb on board as well to at least get some money on this little trade. So we're obviously at the R1 now, looking to go to the R2. There is this key resistance area we need to get past. And again, we have tested Asia low, so you have at that test, can go bullish. So personally, moving forward now, we need to see what we are going to do around about this area. So that's going to be my pure eye for NASDAQ now, moving in for the rest of the session. Then going over to US 30, US 30, almost the same thing. You can see here, traded, we had this key level. We spoke about that the second time coming around. What is probability to tell us we will break it? We did break above it, and we had to close above the highs over there. So US 30 very, very much going bullish for me. You've already had not only your Asia lows tested, but then you went back to Asia highs, broke Asia lows, had the fake out of the day, and then went bullish. So US 30 for me, looking for a very, very beautiful big bullish move today. Possibly even somewhere around, you can say, just short of the R2. So I think if things play their cards right, we could actually see a very, very good move on US 30 today. And then lastly, with gold, guys, what am I looking at? I am neutral. A neutral being because we are range bound. You can see the main high of the range, main low of the range. And the problem is, to break a range like this, you need a lot of volume. So unless we get something special, we are not breaking that. As much as we did now, close above. Yes, you can say this little level over here, we have finally broke and closed above it. But again, I'm still not 100% sold on that. So again, with all the other pairs, we could see a nice move to the top side. But again, this does almost become a very no man's land, because as much as you can see that move, you can also see a very big retract, Asia highs and Asia lows untested. So again, it's just a bit more of a dangerous trade, but we're going to see what we can do. If we can get some nice entry criteria, if we see an opportunity and we don't take it, well, we are not traders. So again, that is part of the game. Let's see what happens and what comes in front of us. Over to my boy Jev. Let's see what for the day.
Okay, Chad, starting off with DXY. We can see, oh damn. So we can see over here, price like basically had this reaction towards the downside. We had this a supply zone over here, and we had this reaction point from the supply zone forming this high and this low down here. So quite a big dealing range on DXY at the moment. Now initially, before I can look for buys, I want to see them break below this reaction point, but we'll follow the internal structure for now, and we'll see that on the 15-minute chart, just slightly below the daily pivot, we have this demand zone over here. So I would initially want to see one of two things happen. So either DXY will drop all the way down towards this demand zone over here and then rise, or alternatively what I would like to see is them retrace a bit into this flip zone, into this fair value gap, into the pivot, and then continue that move bullish towards the upside. So then moving forward on Euro USD, we're currently in the supply zone over here as well, waiting on correlation there for DXY. Daily pivot supply zone. So what I want to see on EU basically is a nice little push towards the downside to come fill this gap over here and trade all the way down towards this demand zone to potentially buy. So with that said, also on DXY, the only way we can get that buy on E potentially is if DXY moves all the way up towards the supply zone and then drop eventually. So price is still far away from our zones. We'll keep an eye on it. And on GU, this morning I wanted GU to basically drop towards the downside so we can look for those sells. But as you can see, price is now breaking towards the top side. So nothing for me on GU as it. Once again, one of two things. Either we sell from the daily R1 side, or alternatively want to see price trade all the way down towards the daily S1 in this demand zone before we can basically trade towards the upside. Then on gold, so gold actually had a nice little break of structure over here, demand zone at the daily pivot. My only concern is we have Asian lows untested, so the chances of gold trading through this level all the way down towards 2320 is not unlikely either, so we just have to be very careful here. And then on US30, I would like to see price trade all the way down before looking for longs. Same thing, we have a demand zone over here in the middle of the range, but Asian lows untested, so it just scares me a bit. So initially I would want to see USD trade all the way down towards the weekly pivot before that move back towards the upside. And then on Nasdaq, also similar, we can see we are in the supply zone over here, but my only concern is I would want to see price break below this level over here, close below the R1, change character basically. 1 second. Change character, and then from there break through, retrace, and then see that move towards the downside before looking for longs near the daily pivot at this demand zone over here. So that is me for the session. US30, Nasdaq, EU, and gold. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Also, we have, let me just double check. We have interest decision coming out for CAD in 28 minutes. So initially I want to see CAD basically spike up into that supply zone and then drop towards the daily, the weekly S3, and then continue that bullish move towards the upside. But that's me.
All right. We are just doing something I quickly, Chad. I'm gonna be with you guys now. Just want to remind all of you guys over there. Why is that not? Hold on, Chad. I'm trying to sort something out here. Be with you guys now, Chad. Just hold on. Give me 2 seconds. No, guys. I'm not on the Discord now, I promise you. We're gonna post the link there for you guys. Guys, just keep in mind for all of those guys, let's just put this in. Why can I not do anything here? Pin that over there. 45% off. 45% off, guys. Code NFP. So all dollar accounts 5k, 25k, rand accounts 60k to 550k accounts 45% off with code. There's a link. Support the channel, guys. make the most out of it. I'll get those nice movements. So what is cutting ya, Chad? We still got time, basically 12 minutes till market open, so we're gonna see what we can get there. Banging tune, Keegs. Hey, appreciate it, guys. We bringing the vibes there today. We're gonna make it a party, doing some giveaways. Someone asking, where was it? How we do the giveaways. After the gen chat, how do you choose winners? We use Nightbot, so we have a number system and we have a random picker thing that we choose. So that's it. Let's see what else. Miss anything? Jaden Cradle, yeah, that is the whole point. The 750 rand coupon is for the Project G members. It can be used. So when you want to go purchase an account, it is linked to your account, so you can't give it to anyone else. So when you want to go in, you can then go in and literally use that 750 rand on any account. You will just get 750 rand off whatever the price is. Keys, I just got my Funnel account logins. Thanks again so much, gentlemen. Appreciate it. Awesome, brother. Keys, just want to say thank you guys for the 10k account. Really appreciate it. Away gang. Awesome, guys. I want to see you guys kill it. Absolutely take it out. Got those nice moves on buy on gold with ADP event from 215. Been holding but locked my profits now. Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Yeah, don't get greedy, bro. That's a great trade, my man. Don't get greedy there now. Keys, but if you win this, can you still win the million Friday? Yes, there are two different things. So keep in mind, this is for the whole Chad. The milli on Friday is going to be purely for the guys that pre-registered. Remember, you can't go do it now. That's done. So if you're one of the guys that went and pre-registered, that is one vote. That basically goes in the little pot. And if you have a guy that also, they're not only registered, but a guy that also has joined Project G, it's another 2 entries in the pot. So going to make you more likely to stand a chance to win. So for example, where it is now, you got a much bigger number. And again, all those pre-registration numbers, because there's a lot more than that than, for example, concurrent viewers. So again, if we do get a winner and he isn't on the stream, they do not win. So it can move on and be re-rolled until we all get someone who is on the stream. But these oaks are rubbing in your bad luck. Keeks, please check my previous comment and see if my bias is correct. Lyle, I don't mind US30 boys, entry 38755, target 38755. You basically bought in the middle of the range. Yeah, bro, where in your TP is 38875, 38. Yeah, bro, definitely can. Just before the R1. 2 things. If this thing comes back to Asia highs, even if it breaks under, yeah, if it breaks, like, to come back to Asia highs. So if it hits 38765, I hope you break even because it's coming back down. But otherwise, it must pump and it hit your TP because it must at least aim for that R1 first. Appreciate it, brother. I already moved stops to BE. Yeah. So, like I say, you're either going to go BE on that because if it comes down, it's coming down hard. Otherwise, it's going to your TP, bro. Fix. I say nog steeds die bank account and email it. Kind of ingetate quip. For what? Which thing are you talking about, brother? Purchasing what? What are you talking about? So I'll have 3 entries, 2 for being in Prodigy and 1 for pre-registration. Andre, that is correct, my brother. That is correct. Membership. JV, quiet chat today, bro.
Yeah, just sending like a caption here quickly.
A caption? Is he also posting for you now?
No, he's our editor.
Oh, is he literally just doing it for you? Oh.
Yeah, I just need him to slap some ticks on there.
Yeah, so basically, just also getting back to my brother, for the membership. Bro, firstly, so again, I don't know, are you just talking about purchasing the membership to be in the membership, or are you talking for the giveaway? So if you purchase now, you'll only then be your 2 votes to also still stand a chance to win the Millie account. Obviously, you will get in the membership as well, but you'll go 2 votes into the pot for the Millie account. If you weren't on the pre-registration list. But if you were on the pre-registration list and you've signed up, then obviously it's 3 votes. But yeah, if you have the bank account details, the links in the description with all the details on how to sign up. So yeah, it's a membership. It's month to month, so you can join anytime. Jonathan, I give up at joining at this point, brother. Got Bazu yesterday also, and USD will move stops after PMI. 3 then for me. Hey, Clay. Oh, Andre wants to sort it. Yeah, Keeks, how do we become a mod? You got to show up, you got to show character, and you got to be a person of the people. And then you will become a mod. With great power becomes great responsibility. Keeks, can we have a pop-up office in Cape Town, bro? We need the get-togethers. 2G's Cape Town family. Bro, Jeremy, it definitely is happening. As we said, with 2G's, with a membership, we will be having a quarterly event. So there will be a Cape Town event, brother. I pre-registered but didn't join yet. Is that 1 entry then? Right, yes, that is 1 entry. Obviously, we will have your name on that pre-registration list with your email and stuff. So if you are drawn from that list, then yes. No more mods. Just to be sure, we are allowed to trade news with VF account. Yes, you are, brother. You can trade news. Write a 1,000 word essay on how to effectively use STC. Guys. I think, guys, we basically have 5 minutes to enter. What I'm going to do is, I think we can do an active user and just do, can we do a random, how do we used to do that?
Yo, Arno, welcome. A week ZA. It's okay. So volatility is obviously the same type of movement and speed, but I think the contract size is smaller on Volt Thunder, Nickies.
Wait, what's this now?
The contract size on Volt Thunder is smaller than on Volt Markets. Because a 0.0 on lot size doesn't make as much money as like on Volt Markets.
Yeah, but keep in mind, when you're doing that 0.01, you're doing that on a bonus account, or you're doing that on a normal account?
Oh shit!
Remember, the bonus account's extra leverage. So on Volt Markets, like a lot of guys, they do 0.01s, they're using the bonus accounts. That's why. If you're using a normal account, it would be the same as what it is on Volt Thunder.
I don't know. I have not. I don't know. I'll be honest, bro. That's the least of my problems right now.
Guys, what I want to do, I just want to see if this works, okay? So we just want to see if this works. I'm just testing it. We're just going to put a number here, a very quick one. I just want to see if it works, guys, okay? So this is not going to count. We just want to make sure everything is rolling, that the users here is all eligible. Because this thing's telling me there's only 25 of you that are eligible to be in the... So we are just checking here. If we had to do this now, roll it. Alright. Let's see. Go to live chat. We'll just trying to sort this thing out. Did I win? Lol. No, guys. I'm testing the thing. I'm testing it. Because the thing, as I said, Chad, so let me just show you what I'm talking about so you guys can see why I'm doing this. If you look here on Nightbot, it will tell you, yeah, eligible, so mods, regulars, channel members, users. But again, you can literally see the chat, how many are, yeah, but it is only saying we have 27 eligible users. So we are just trying to get that correct here. Because obviously there is, at the moment, 224 of you, yeah. So 224 people should be eligible. So we are just trying to sort that out. It's all we just trying to get here for you guys. One more little market open, guys. So let's just see. Jeez, hey, what's up, Eddie? Yeah, sorry though, I don't know. I know it's a little bit of a tease there, but yeah. Keys is chop. Rian Forster is the one.
So Wig ZA, I use a combination of BTM and ICT. I call it, or like Chris says, a hybrid method.
Alright, guys. Markets are officially open. Ding.
Let's
Round.
Let's go.
6 fight. Let's see what happens there, Chad. Everything opening up now for us. So Nasdaq, this is at the POI, guys. You want to keep an eye on that. USD at that key level. So my brother, as I said, remember, if this thing comes to Asia highs, unfortunately, I think this could come down for you. Gold, what are we looking at with gold? Gold is still chilling there, and DXY still coming down for those Asia lows. So we just want to take note here, guys. Keep an eye out. Anything can happen. We got our 15-minute shuffle. Let's see, guys. DXY coming down. Gold slowly there. Nasdaq. Ooh, are we gonna miss the retest though? We don't want to miss the retest. US30. There we go, guys. So if that thing comes down, it is coming down at a very, very aggressive pace. Nasdaq still showing some hope. So you never know. Could be maybe Nasdaq gives us our entry, guys.
Wix, I don't have an opinion because I've said it multiple times. It's all the same things. It's just stored differently to sell you a service, so that if you use a different terminology, you sound cool.
Nightbot is my. Good afternoon, gents. Keys. Tell me, is it possible a commission on a trade on Volfund to be more than 50% of the profit of the trade? Yeah. Only way I could say that happens, bro, is if you like put 50 lots and you only went like maybe like a pip. Then maybe something like that could happen. I don't know, but just send the support a message about that with the screenshot of the trade with the commission and all that taken off of it. If it is a mistake, they will correct it for you. Keegan, the special entry on NAS, can it still be valid? Bro, so you mean the one from earlier? Personally, I don't know. Maybe if you get under the R1, maybe. But if we can get to the support area, definitely. As I said, I want to see it come all the way back down, have that fake out, and then the big long-term move to the top side. I don't know why people find it strategies low. Keeks, you need to bless me after that teaser. Sorry guys, I did have Ian there, wanted to ask a question, and then we were talking about something, so I do apologize. But I see I did Ed Arson you. Trade community with perks of exclusive Zoom meetings, news trading, new strategies, and eventually meet and greet, custom indicators, and more. Yeah. The big one, which it's such a marketing thing, but the big one which everyone loves is the fact news trading. Everyone wants us to trade news, so all the major news events we will trade live with in Project G. So for example, NFP on Friday, we are trading live with the community. I agree. Yeah, let's go. I'm just watching this thing here, guys. It is still only telling me somehow 25 of you are eligible. I'm going to be back now, guys. I just want to see where my boy Chris is. He uses this thing all the time, so I just want to see what he says about it.
So it's just us once again. Peter, so I would love to see the cat news effect all across the board. I would love to see that happen. I don't know what that means, Jakes. I don't know how that is. Dale, on US30, I want to see it go all the way to the daily pivot. I want to see it go all the way down to the daily pivot. Lyle, yeah, man, been doing YouTube for 4 years now. 4 years. I only became more consistent last year because it was never really a thing to become a quote-unquote influencer. The plan was literally just to put information out there. Started to love it, started to see a lot of great feedback from the people, so I figured let me keep on doing it. Yo, Turtle Trader, we good. Boss Bobby, I haven't seen him, to be honest. I haven't seen him in the chat as often this week and last week. But also no, Vin said he's sick. Vin said he's sick last time I spoke to him. I think that was in the week, if I'm not mistaken. I know he was booked off.
Also, guys, quick one. Just a heads up for all of you. Guys were saying that the only Bitcoin option is up for the pay gateway. Ozal is down for everyone. Anyone that uses Ozal is actually down at the moment. I think they are doing a maintenance or something. So either just wait a little bit, it will be back up. But yeah, apologies for that.
Franco, just check the chat. I will drop it there.
Keegan, if everyone is watching, just sends a message, they'll be seen as active user. So everyone that sends a message will be eligible. Okay, hold on, but let me see. Can I turn active user off? Because obviously, even if they can be a winner.
So basically, Franco, the channel name is literally my name, Jevin Farrow. Can't miss it.
Yeah, you're plugging yourself again, yeah, bro.
The people are asking. The people are asking.
The people are asking.
The people are asking.
US studies dying.
And then who asked me that now? Curtis, bro. I must actually follow up. My biggest concern now is the PC. I'm literally phoning Evetic, adding small parts here and there, and it's like I'm giving them so much work.
Or did you add stuff?
So I phoned him this morning and I was like, look here, I see you guys have this in the clearance. Can you add it to my PC? Like, yeah, major support. And then happened twice. I added 2 things. So wonder how long that's gonna take now.
Jeff's like, I want it all.
I want lights. I just want lights.
You can give Jeff a gaming PC that's gonna run on like extra low graphics, but as long as it's got pretty lights, he's happy. Nathan, when we vote Jeff, what are you voting Jeff for?
What's this now?
Oaks type in letters to see him. Jeff, yesterday 5-minute fair value gap was created after sweep, so maybe some potential there.
There could be. Just need to see how it closes here. If we can have a nice break to the downside, then I'll wait for retracement. Just need to see how this candle closes.
Yeah, there's that US study sell we were looking for, guys. So remember, weekly pivots. This is for US study. This is where we want to see that turnaround. So US study is doing it. Let's see, does NASDAQ follow suit? Yo, Nas mount. Yeah, bro. I want to see Nas mount. USD is going. Can NASDAQ follow? Keegan America. I like your name, bro.
Oh yeah, someone asked me now something also. Do I know a man that... So Ismail asked me. No, I don't know who that is, my man. I'll be very honest. I don't follow a lot of these traders. The only traders I follow is Shaquille, Keegan, Chris. The people I know personally. If I've made money next to you, if you've called a signal next to me, I trust you. Other than that, I don't trust anyone else. That's also why I said when I started the office. Remember what Chris said when Kate first told him about you. My boyfriend also trades. Your boyfriend trades, and he met you. So same thing also, like when I met Keegan and Chris, I was like, can these guys trade? When they said Asian session, I was like, they know what they're doing.
If they know about the Asia session,
yeah,
they're a real one. The Asia session is life hacks, bro. It's the same, bro. I always say to guys, if you trade gold and you tell me you analyze gold in the 4-hour chart, you know what's up. You know what's up. Clayton, no, brother. We are waiting for the 50-minute shuffle. Clearly, you are not a regular. Yeah. He's Sean Lee's partner. Who's Sean Lee?
I don't know who's Sean Lee either, my man. Isn't Sean Lee...
Okay, who's Sean Lee's partner?
Isn't Sean Lee a scammer? I think Sean Lee's a scammer, if I'm not mistaken.
A boss now to the downside in US 30. Is there a boss? Keep in mind, guys, the break needs a closure. That is a boss, by the way. You need a break with a closure.
Yeah.
If there's a wick, that thing can still turn around, and then what happened to your break?
I don't trust some guys called fractal breaks. If it's a wick, a fractal break. I believe in fractals. Nah. Nah. It's just rules.
Keeps the story of how you and Chris met is kind of funny. Yeah. You can hear Chris is back.
What do you mean total trader? Straight to it.
5-minute break. Okay, look on the 5 minute. Bank of Canada interest rate at 3:45 p.m. Awesome, bro. We're not really trading Canada, but awesome. Watch out for it if you guys are trading CAD. I think you trading CAD, eh?
Yeah, I want to see a stop and high drop. If it doesn't go up, I'm not gonna take it. I want to see that, that wick and it goes that direction. I want to see that happen. Otherwise, no trade.
Okay, we need guys. I just want to see these things melt. Again, I'm more bullish, guys. You can see this. I'm bullish on the pairs. We just want some pullbacks. That's all. Is gold hibernating or so? There were a lot of economists saying that if Bank of Canada doesn't lower rates, that like 40% of mortgages will go into default. Yeah, that is definitely a thing they are talking about. Also, what time the do teacher for free and post live trades on IG? I have no clue who that is. What's the outlook on GU? Tebs, I don't look at GU in New York session. Asia range was a small touch. My trading strategy needed. All thanks to you guys. Awesome, bro. He's obviously new here. Just want to know, what session does Chris trade? He trades same as me. He does trade New York. So he trades London and New York. We just don't trade Asia session. For obvious reasons. Support sorted me out, Keegs, regarding the commission. Guess the only way to learn in trading is by making a mistake and learn from it. Lol. Yeah. That's it, bro. We're all gonna learn somehow. Coming out, guys. I'm just gonna put it on Jeff's screen quickly.
And there's that move on CAD. We predicted the move to sell. It's just I wanted to actually see a more stronger move with the spike to the upside and then down. So nothing on the table there. EU nothing. Okay, on DXY we might be, not on DXY, but if DXY confirms we might potentially get something. Okay, let's see what's happening here on USDT. So, okay, so there's no clean closure there, so nothing in my book yet. So I can't see that. It doesn't count. Gold. Okay, we'll wait here on gold.
Honestly, I haven't started the giveaways yet. Okay. When did you start up Nightbot?
Ismail, from my point, where do you guys just mind muting that mic there, please? Do you mind?
Oh really? Shit.
Do you mind muting that mic, please? We're talking over each other, yeah. Thank you. So Ismail, what the reason why I've heard his name, but why I don't follow, like I said, like I don't follow these guys because I've mentioned many times on stream, I don't want to feel like I'm comparing myself to people because I see them making so much money. It's my own journey. That's purely why I don't follow them. Guys, just hold on quickly. Let me quickly phone this. Okay, now wait. I'll wait for Keegan to finish up. Okay, so there's that. The shadow candle closes here. Oh, but such a long time before it closes. Oh, USDT. Itty, you call BS. What do you mean? Why are we calling the BS? Hello.
All right, guys. So I've got some bad news. Yeah, Nightbot is again. Don't know what it's doing. So the problem we have now, guys, the only thing we can think of on our feet to fix this, what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna make a post. So we're still gonna get your 9 account giveaways. We're gonna do it for you guys. We just unfortunately are not gonna be able to do it today. Which again I do apologize for. Nightbots, you can see we fighting with it. We were testing, we did everything. It's just not playing with us. So what we're gonna have to do is Chris and myself are going to post a trade. We're gonna post a photo, a reel, something. We're gonna collaborate on it. Tomorrow, what we're gonna do is we'll post it. Then you either on mine or Chris, as I say, we'll be collaborative on it. You guys can go over, comment on it, and that way we're gonna do. So you can comment in London, and you can go comment, and that way you can actually comment as many times as you want. In London and New York session. In New York, we'll give it like 20 minutes for you guys still to comment. And then we'll do a live comment picker. We'll do 9 comments pickers. Obviously, same rule. It can't be the same guys because obviously you guys can spam the comments now. And then we'll do the giveaway tomorrow for your New York session. Again, I really do apologize, guys, but we can't win with it today. So that's just gonna have to be the case. So we'll do tomorrow for you guys. Again, apologize for that one, but tomorrow we'll do it. So again, we'll post. Just keep an eye out, look out for it. Yeah. Guys, check his here. The big man himself.
So hey, is that I know so slushy cakes.
Yeah.
What's up, slushy cakes? Yeah. What? You catch 3 today?
No, we're looking now for. I want to get Naz shorts, bro.
I took it out.
I want to get Naz shorts here because of what's happening now with US study. I think Naz is gonna follow suit. Because for me in US study, I want to take a bar. Like I wanted to test basically.
I was looking for buys as well.
Oh, were you?
Yeah,
But I just want that pullback. Yeah, then I want to look for the bars.
But I took it last time.
Oh, did you say? I've reversed nothing, man. You'll make like 3% tomorrow. So
I made 3% yesterday.
yeah, so.
Yeah, so that's okay.
So yeah, for even Naz, I'm waiting, bro. I want to see a pullback to at least like Asia highs or something, and then. So we'll just see. Contracted you guys. Hey, welcome to the Friendly City Shack. Shack legend. What US City doing, Shack? Asking the expert, yeah, guys. You guys more than happy for another wait on 31, yeah. Hey, the teams there, guys. Big Shack City. Yeah, the man's yeah. Nasdaq just not playing along with us today, guys. Looks like, I mean, that's just US City melting. Nasdaq won't give us an entry. We got gold doing nothing really. So an interesting one, yeah, on the markets, guys.
Oh, okay. Already? Oh, okay.
345. Let's see.
Yeah, we
First closure, guys. That flat
But you can't see my screen.
is a bullish move.
I
So
wanna
what we're gonna see, yeah now is 4 o'clock. So 4 o'clock, does that give us the answer we are looking for? Just solidify what we want the markets to do. Nas, I think that is my alert there now. We have our alert gone off. What can we get you guys? There's that test for us with Nasdaq. Yeah, there's that test, guys. That's what we're looking for. US30, you're going down hard. Yeah, let's just see, guys. See what can we get here. Yo, bro, but the markets are just so slow lately. Yeah.
So, like this usually happens to it leads up to anything.
Yeah, it's all.
See that the market does this moves and even to myself, I'm trying to get to the point where when it comes to anything this week, I don't want to protect the capital that way.
Yeah. Yeah, so we just need to see what we can get you. Boys are gonna eat on Friday, bro. I'm doing the same thing, bro. Oh, damn. Yeah. Oh, yeah, just before. Yeah, you gotta enter like 5 minutes too. Yeah, the margin opens up. You're gonna go the same size again. Alright, Chris and myself are also saying we're gonna probably go big for it as well. Like we're confident in it, so. Yeah, bro. Exactly, bro. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Oh, damn, sorry, bro.
All good. So I might want to take a short here on EU, guys.
I'm gonna just put it on your. Hold on there, brother.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay, so why I want to take these shorts here, these shorts on EU is because of this on DXY. So we can see internally the change of character. Here's this fair value gap. We really have to tap in here. The only fear is now, so scared it moves it out of that. So I'm just going to wait here on EU when we're going to see for 5-minute count just to close below the pivot. Just have a full closure below the pivot, and then want to see a small retracement back into that fair value gap zone, and then we'll look for a sell. And then on US30, I want to look for a buy at this pivot, so we'll just wait. We'll just patiently wait till it gets here. I'm 25, Ruben. 25 years old. 25 years young.
25 years young. Geek, so how will things work once everything's sorted and now that Shaquille joined the team? Bro, you guys are gonna see. It'll be found out, and there's actually a little something we posting soon. So just keep your eyes out for that. We got a little summer something. bro. USD's done, bro. Literally yesterday. So, the dollar is holding the EQ. Look at this. Dollar.
I think okay.
The dollar holding the EQ. Gold, bullish. Nasdaq, parking the bus. USD, bearish. 3 literal dollar pairs, and all of them doing something different. What is this man going on about that, guys? That you...
Nah, he's defending someone he doesn't even know.
I was gonna say, what is this guy going on about this Ismaili?
It's that Sean Lee guy who apparently flipped 5K to $5 million or something
man,
like
you
that.
just... Bro, if you believe that, you're kakdom, if you believe that.
And here's my thing also exactly why I say stop following these guys. You guys are fighting over over this bro who doesn't even know you.
Hey.
Oh, USD is breaking through that level of mine. Yo,
What
ew.
happened?
Yeah, we should have taken E.
Shee. There's a dollar bullishness.
Yo.
Yo, USD, bro.
Yes, EU. That would have been a explosive entry, guys. Yo.
Damn, bro. USD. Nasdaq hasn't done anything. Gold. So there we go, guys. As we were talking about this, okay, we spoke about this morning, or this start of the session. We said it was going to be bullish, and then a flip. So let's see. Bullish move, 53.8, came out higher. So got that one right again. Now let's see, do we get the flip? So there we go. Nasdaq, if you think of this, bro, look there. Nasdaq went, tested the R1. Now it can flip. US30 tested the pivot. This is where I said I want to look for the buys now on US30. And gold rejecting that zone as well. So things about to get interesting now, guys. So let's see, guys. We're looking for that flip. Let's see, does it flip? Ooh, Nasdaq flipping. Nasdaq's flipped. US30. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Now we can start getting ready to take something, yeah. Music pumping, probably 5 mil to 5K. Don't I also trade my bro. Yeah, bro. If you think someone took 5K to 5 million, you a special kind. Like you're special.
You're a Keegan.
What?
That's the way you said it, man.
Nah, bro. Yeah, so it's these oaks. You're asking to be scammed. You're asking for it. What is our weekly candles looking like so far?
So you're just gonna miss those cells now. Like it's... Yeah, that would have been a potent entry. Sure. Still a W. We didn't lose any money. We still followed our rules. That's all that matters.
Did you take it?
No.
Oh.
They literally, like, we... the moment it closed, like, it shot down.
Hey, Jeff.
Wil je shit back on my screen, Keeks?
There you go.
Okay, so based on what USD did, I didn't want to see them break through this level. They should have just came to this level, held it for a bit, and then we take the buy. So the next thing I want to see is this now, into this zone, and then go up. Let's have them induce more. So on US, so like on EU, unfortunately because of the way this, I didn't know it's gonna happen like this. So this is invalidated. So we're not gonna take EU.
Guys, I might take a short on NAS. If we can close and reject that zone now, I might take a short on NAS.
I'm with Keegan there. I also see it, what he sees.
Damn, bro, DXY is...
Yo.
What time is it called tonight, Andre? We said it's going to be probably just after 7:30. How G's always going to ask about the G stand for gangster. DXY is pumping. You also want to plan. Someone mentioned past 7:30. Yeah. Unfortunately, you can make millions just by posting shit on IG and people would buy into it. Yeah. But you know what? It's because we spoke about this. It's because we live in South Africa. You live in a place where a lot of people believe in this hope that there's always this greater thing and this thing to success. I'd rather just keep quiet. A good trade is a no trade. Yeah. Like Pokemon, Jeff. Guys, Sean Lee wasn't trading with regular broker, and why didn't he show his broker statements? Guys, we don't need to argue with us. We're telling you he's bullshit. Already in on Naz. Name of music, please. Ben Boma. That's his lane 8 mix. Gold just tapped my zone. No time to execute. What is Nasdaq cash on XM? Does anyone know? Try US Tech. US Tech or US 100. Otherwise, try Nas. There goes DXY. There goes the gold sell. So, yeah, guys, I want to take Nas. Nas looks like the only thing that's going to possibly give us an entry here. Wait, what are you wanting to sell Nas or you want to buy Nas?
Sell it.
Okay.
I'm looking for those sells as well.
Because you always want to do the opposite thing to me.
Nah, I'm with you. Yeah, I'm with you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It said. So I see you fix it.
Yeah, Jeff's. Yeah, brother. Position not shown on screen, gents. Wayne, because I'm not in it yet, bro. I'm not in anything. You guys not taking a trade, Chico? We are. But there's rules for how we trade. I don't close my eyes and just be like, okay, let's press a button. I trade. There's a plan. You follow the plan. Jeff, why do you have 3 different color candles?
Because I'm that guy. Nah, Bevan, it's just an indicator. Basically engulfing candles.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I came back. Just heard starting yet. Yeah. Alright, everyone smooth. I'm back out. Hey, the gents. The gents. Sorry, what is the name of the EQ indicator again? It is the daily range by Hortensia. Gold ain't for today. Gold is fighting that strong DXY candle. It's trying. It's trying. US study up, fixed. Yeah, I said this is where we want to buy it. Nasdaq still could look for the sells. Oh, guys, that's a close closure. Like that's on it right there. Eight medium would be grand for Prodigy. Yeah, probably we're gonna look at that, bro. Just saying, guys, I haven't entered yet. That is, you're underneath, but like just. You're just underneath it. How long do you go without taking a trade? Oh, yeah, another one of these idiots. Bro, I just went. I've got an entry criteria. You do not just click a button and randomly blind take a trade. Ooh, it's gone up. It must come down. Let me sell. No. Ooh, it's come down. It must go up. Let me buy. No. Are you guys trading AP? Yeah, on Friday we are trading with our closed community with Project G. You take a trade when they a trade. Simple, exactly. Exactly. So still just waiting, yeah, guys. We are still just waiting. Is there a way to know of the 750 is being allocated to VF? Sorry, I'm struggling big time. Okay, brother, so when you join, listen, yeah, when you join, you receive an email. If they haven't got back to you on the Discord yet, then you most likely have not even received the coupon code yet. Once you're on the Discord and part of Project G, you also receive an email that tells you please wait 24 hours for allow the coupon code to be activated to your account. So again, please, brother, just bear with us. Remember, everything we're doing now is manual. We literally go from one stream to meetings to another stream. We need to go in and adjust it. So I'm sitting here talking to you. I can't go and activate the coupon. Does that make sense? So please bear with us. They will be activated.
I'm gonna take a shot here on EU, on Nasdaq.
You're selling already.
Yeah, I'm getting in now.
There you go. It's on your screen, big man.
So 25 pip stop. Very tight. Okay, so obviously now into the stop above. That's 26. So 30 pips. 30 pips. And we will target the Asian low. Sorry, I'm just seeing something here with my spread, so I have to make mine 34 pips. Okay, guys, 34 pips is a stop. Just don't want that retracement and get wicked out by the spread. And as you guys know, cutoff time is 5:05.
But you're in the trade.
Yeah. So if we're not below the daily, I think it's the daily R1. If we're not below that level by 5:05, we'll scratch it. Let's just mark out our point for going break even. It's a bit just above that level, but it's okay. We'll
So
manage.
how many pips is your stop here?
35, 34.
34. Yeah. Jeremy might have jumped the gun a bit early there, bro.
I'm seeing that. But to be fair, based on my journaling, I get stopped out within the first 20 minutes. So, if we're still in for 20 minutes.
If a trade like that lasts 20 minutes. Yeah. Sure. DXY is pulling back a bit, but I mean, maybe just wants to test the R1. Who knows? Thing is, gold shot back up again. The US 30 hasn't done much though. These candle colors is why stop loss gonna get hit. Yo, Chico's got a lot to say, yeah.
Yeah. Meanwhile, Chico still has a grid on his chart.
Chico, and no, Project G is not selling signals, my man. That's not what it is. Gold broke its high. Hey.
Clixie, yes, I'm in.
So remember, guys, what we said, we wanted the news to come out bullish and then flip. That's exactly what we got here now.
Oh, damn. I'm stopped out.
Oh, quick in and out.
A quickie.
Oh, in and out burger there.
Minus 34.
Nvidia almost at $1,200. No wonder Nas ain't falling, yeah. So the thing for me, guys, what we were talking about was, as I said, we wanted news to come out bullish, then flip. So gold, you see in that bearish move, test there, bullish. Nasdaq, test the R1, gone bullish. A US 30 all the way down, holding this area, going bullish. Once you're above the daily pivot, I'll maybe look at something on US 30. But yeah, we are running a bit on the time, so we're just gonna have to see what happens, Chad.
That's my first trade for the week. Stop.
But
the trades we didn't take all ran. Gold, EU. Yeah. That's okay.
All
It's okay.
just part of the game, bro. Just part of it.
It's business. Expenses.
The price of doing business.
I'll be calling the stream soon.
Yeah, I just want to see ya, bro. I might take US 30.
Okay.
I just want to see ya. Because that is the bearish move in the flip, 4 hour time frame. Yeah, I might take US 30. King Jeff, please read my previous post. Does it matter if I have 2 emails, one for Vault Fund and the other Vault Markets? No, brother, they aren't the same. They are different things. So, yeah. US30 buys or sells, Keegs? US30 buys. It's okay, Jeff. We learn from you that a loss is actually a lesson. As long as you learn, guys. If you don't do the same thing again, then there you go. You learn something from it.
Like for instance, myself, my stop hit, I had realization is that EU trade missed. I had subconscious FOMO.
Well, yeah, there you go.
And that's the thing. You have to be honest with yourself.
Yeah.
Lying to yourself. That's how you keep on holding yourself back.
Thanks, Keegan. Appreciate it a lot. No time, brother. Or anytime.
Curtis, every time I say business, I think of him.
Yeah, guys, if we're gonna close under here as much as I'd want to, if we close under this, I don't know. Are you guys fine with Vault Funder? Compliance reasons? No, we are not.
Unfortunately.
Angie Trades, it's a buy. Yes, we gave you the signal. The signal was sent. It is a buy. I took a buy off the time. Gold is my day today. Like, just doing, I know. But is it not your affiliate company? Yes, affiliate, but my brother, end of the day, I don't know what it changes for you. What does it change if we fund it with them or not? There's a compliance reason. If you know what compliance is, then that you would be. I don't see why you have more questions. But it's a march to the moon rocket to the moon. Most definitely respect, gents. I see you guys tomorrow morning. Cheers, Lyle. OD Africa, Jeff, brother, what do you eat or drink to keep your composure? One day when I'm a pro like you, I'll be as calm as you for sure.
Brood and Coke.
I could consider buying an account. Chico, we have traded with them. We do use them. We've passed accounts. We've got certificates. We've done all that stuff for you people. We just can't trade with it anymore because of compliance.
OD Africa, it's not even about, what you put into your body is really important. But in the end, like you can't let your emotions get the best of you when you're trading.
Like Chico, again, I'm not gonna lie to people. You can ask me straight off the bat. If Jev had to ask me, now Jev will have a different answer because he uses like 20, but I strictly will only, and I'll even say there's only 2 good prop firms. If you don't know me, he has the man. He literally walked into the room now. So again, you guys will see I'm not being biased. If you know me, there's 2 good prop firms. Who would I say they are? There we go, FTMO and Vol Funder. I would not, you'll never hear me recommend any other prop firm. So, are you gonna take him home? Try not to make a noise in the street. Don't drive like hooligans.
He didn't hear me.
But yeah, guys, it's half past. We close underneath. I'm not gonna take a trade there. I'll rather call it a day. But yeah, Chico, I really do. I am very happy. People here who have traded our prop firms have even told you it is right up there. So join us if you want to. You won't regret it. If you don't, you're missing out, brother. Public place now, many prop firms seem to have MT5 issues. Exactly. If you can even have MT5, that should really tell you a lot. I do not understand the compliance. You guys funded with FTMO. I've been funded with the funded trader. I've been funded with my Forex Sun is where majority of all my accounts were. So yeah, I had a few funded companies I've been with. Salute Jeff, bro. I hear you. That's one of my weak points. Emotions when in a trade. Guys, I think that is going to be it. Jeff, nothing for you, brother.
From me, nope.
Remarks here for the guys.
Yeah, so like I said, NFP week, I've seen this many times how markets are, like, I wouldn't say choppy, but like takes long for price to come to your zone. Zones getting validated, the timing is out, things like that. So take it slow, man. Tomorrow's another day, one more bullet, and then patiently waiting for NFP to come so that we can have that strong move, new zones, and new opportunities.
Yeah. Chico, brother, you can go look on the website if you want to. There is a handful of countries you cannot be from if you want to trade with Vol Funder, but Australia is not one of them, so you can trade with them if you're in Australia. You will not have any issues there. Because they work with Vol Funder, they can't be funded with them, else there's a chance of fraud. If influencer trades with the company they're involved in, there's a big red flag. Exactly. So we can't be part of it. We have no access. Well, the back end, things like that. And that's why you can't use them, because you can manipulate the markets. So again, we can promote the company, but we purely won't, in that sense, use it. Not that we don't believe in it, we just don't do it because, again, things can be manipulated. So Ed hit it on the nail again. Vol Funder has beyond impressed me already. Day 1 of funded change, up 2% already. There you go, brother. Cheers, Chad. Cheers, Key and Jeff. Thanks for an awesome stream. Check you, mate. Forex SA. Chico, do you know Alma, mate? Alright, guys. Again, peace and love. You guys remember 45% off there. The link is pinned. And if you want to join Project G in the link below. We'll be trading NP live with you guys on Friday, so make sure not to miss out. We're going to check you on the flip side. You coming down again tomorrow? Are you coming down? Okay, we'll check you tomorrow, brother. Cheers. Alright, bros. Other than that, peace and love, Chad. We're going to see you on the flip side. Cheers, baby.
Check your chat.